We're getting ready for season 2 of Loaf for Every Letter, but we have to wait for our sourdough starter to rise. We'll go wherever the wind takes us. Found my sunglasses. Now we're gonna run into Costco. With the amount of times I come to the car wash, I am shocked with how dirty my car is. I never thought I would say this, but I low-key kind of miss my Tesla as a commuter car. Come on. They don't have Little Blue Truck Christmas, but they have Little Blue Truck and a red racer. I don't know if we need dog food. Quesadilla. She's so cute. Minnie Mouse. She put a happy face. Thanks for spending the morning with us.